Okay, here we are with the unboxing of the Blue Yeti USB microphone in copper. I thought copper was kind of the sharpest looking of them all, but just kind of give you a little look-see of the box and the packaging. I got this off Amazon. They didn't pack it very well. As you can see, they kind of ripped that a little bit, but come on, Amazon, be careful out there. So now we're gonna go ahead and open her up. Drum roll. Okay, and guess now we'll open her up that way too. And we have USB, the ancient one. Paperwork, I guess this is the manual. Okay. Alright. It's a beast, all right. Okay, let's pull the beast out. Oh my goodness, that was heavy too. Can't remember exactly how heavy they said it was. I'll put it in the description below. But I'd say it's about 2.5 to 3 pounds. And quite lodged into the styrofoam. There we go. And there we have it. The Blue Yeti multi-pattern USB microphone. All right, so stay tuned for some performance tests.